Okay, I'm underneath this 14 edge. Gotta remove the fuel tank, remove the drive shaft. You can see where I marked it. Disconnect this harness from here. This harness from here with the ground wire. Take the drive shaft out. Remove the exhaust. See where I marked it there too. Disconnect fuel lines. Pull this down. Push that in. Pull it apart. Same thing with that one up there. If you're not careful, you'll break it. And all I gotta do is take that out. That one. That one. That one. Oh, don't forget to move that little guy either. Oh, and don't forget the filler neck tube. It's just a little band clamp to pull that off. Got the pump out, you gotta disconnect these two lines. This one. And disconnect the lines on the inside. I got some crud in there. So here I got the new fuel pump in. I got the hoses connected and the electrical connector. Make sure everything is back inside the harness. And this is the holder. This is the one that was on the side of the frame with the ground. This is the one that was at the back, and then the filler neck. And make sure I hook up this little cross tube that runs over to the other side. And then the fuel lines that go to the fuel rail right there. So I'm gonna get this all back together and then we'll go from there. Tank's back up, tighten in the hose clamp. For the filler neck. Switch hands.
Is that just the camera on your phone?
Yeah. Well, I'm filming. Click. Where did my 8 go? There's one. Fuel lines pushed in and locked, pushed in and locked. Yeah, I just gotta put that back up, and it'll be done. Alrighty, everything's put back together. We're in the car. I'm going to prime the system by turning the key on. Fuel level came up. Do it again. And we're going to try to crank it. Start it right up. No check engine lights. Running really smooth. And the fuel level is at its correct level. And that's how you do it, guys.